Alright, what up y'all? So hopefully this camera is at a good spot for y'all to see what's going on. But just a slow day today. Just doing a little maintenance. Not on the vet, but we messing with the Impala today. Just gotta find a little extension. There we go. So yeah. It's been 2 years and some change since I did this actuator, but it went back out, and so I already got this down, but this actuator went out and then this one went out for the first time. So we're gonna see if we can get this stuff off. I don't know if I need this off, but I don't think I do. But you just need a 5.5mm socket, and there's 2 bolts in there. Hopefully y'all can see that, but yeah, go ahead and get this stuff off real quick. Alright, so we in here. Is it 5.5 is what you need. It's better if you got something like this as opposed to a socket. It's just easier to twist it with this screwdriver style setup. And so yeah, there we go. But yeah, I got this from, I think, AutoZone. Come with a lifetime warranty, so once I get this out, I'm gonna go ahead and go up there, get this swapped out with a new one, and buy a new one for the other one that went out. So just go ahead and get all of this done at once. This pulls right out. I already got the plug off of it, so you know, that's that. But yeah, what it is, I did another video about it, but if you didn't see that one, there's some little plastic gears inside of here, and they end up, the teeth on the gears are break. So once you turn the car on, you just hear a bunch of loud popping. I'm gonna see if I can plug up this other one real quick so y'all can hear it if you haven't gone through this problem already. If I can find where it is. Oh, there we go, up here. So that's plugged up. I'll go ahead and put this key in and see what I'm talking about. Hopefully you can hear all of that. This one is not as loud as the other one, but it's real steady, so super annoying. And yeah, that's got to come out. Alright, so once you get to doing, where am I? Once you get to doing this one over here, you got to reach this way. So this is too much. So you might want to go back to a socket. But yeah, it's a weird spot to reach way over here. So you kind of either got to have little hands or take a bunch of extra stuff apart somewhere. But I'm just gonna reach in and get to it. Alright, so hopefully this flashlight is helping y'all see something, but I just got the little screwdriver socket thing in here. Super hard to reach, but you know, I'm reaching it. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna reach this. I guess it's just one other bolt. Hopefully it's just one. Yeah, so there's one up top. So I should be able to reach that one, but definitely not as easy as the one over there. But hopefully this camera is angled right. I'm trying out this little headband camera deal, so still kind of figuring out what works and what doesn't work, but you know, trial and error. Let me see if I can reach this. Although this is what I'm using, by the way, so just without the extension from earlier. But yeah, let's Let's see if we can reach this, which, yep. Alright, so hard to reach, but reachable. I don't know if y'all into rap music or hip hop, whatever you want to call it, but this is like a couple days after that Gucci versus Jeezy thing. So, man, what y'all thought about that, man? That was a wild event to watch, play out. But never expected to see it happen, but it's pretty cool. So, what y'all thought about that? And as far as like, what'd you say, who won, who lost, and all of that, I think it was two people that came with two different reasons. So I think for what they came for, I want to say both of them won for what they showed up to do. But and it's a third boat in here. Nope, never mind. All right, we got it out. So good deal. But yeah, it was crazy to watch. But yeah, so this is out, and yeah, I guess I'm gonna go ahead, go to the store, and pick up some new ones. Alright, y'all, so no luck on the part. Went to Advance, they don't have the part, so they had to order it, so that won't be in until tomorrow. So I guess this is it for this, and I might make a part 2 tomorrow, but the bug just flew on me. But yeah, so that's it for this one. I guess I'm gonna find something else to do today, so I'll catch y'all in the next one.